Are you interested in buying Poco X4 Pro 5G? Then you should definitely watch this video to the end. Otherwise, it's highly probable that you will hate the phone after buying it. Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on problems on any phone you want. Poco X4 Pro 5G is projected as a major successor of Poco X3 Pro, which is a flagship killer with Snapdragon 860 CPU, which no other phone in the same price segment offered. But the hardware specifications on Poco X4 Pro is not that impressive, as you will wonder how a Snapdragon 695 is any good. So the only major advances in Poco X4 Pro is the AMOLED display and 5G connectivity, which isn't anything good. Even when the camera is a 64 megapixel, photos taken on 48 megapixel Poco X3 Pro camera looks better. Apart from this, Poco X4 Pro faces some serious hardware and software problems that everyone should know. The first problem is the camera crash problem. When the camera app is selected, the message shows that the camera cannot be opened. The only solution is to reboot the phone. The problem returns after some time of camera usage, so you'll have to keep on rebooting the phone again and again and again. The only durable solution is to use Gcam, as it does not show this problem, and this shows how this problem is a software bug with the camera app. The second problem on Poco X4 Pro 5G is the display problem, where the phone cannot produce true black images at 20 to 50% of brightness in dark backgrounds. This same problem is present on almost all Xiaomi phones with AMOLED display, and it is believed that custom ROMs and softwares like Oreo Colorizer can fix this. To know more about this problem, click and watch this video. The third problem is a hardware display flickering problem, which happens due to pressure applied on the display. This problem usually happens when the phone is put in a tight jeans pocket. You can learn more about this problem by clicking here. So, what everyone who wants to buy Poco X4 Pro 5G should do is to do a thorough Poco X4 Pro review after unboxing to make sure that these problems are not present on any phone. If you ever face this, don't worry. You can directly head over to the Poco service center and demand a replacement free of cost. So finally, as prices of Poco X4 Pro 5G have reduced on Flipkart, I'll recommend you to buy this phone only if you are a normal or a light user. You will be disappointed by this phone if you are buying it for playing games like PUBG, Call of Duty, BGMI, Apex Legends, etc. You can just consider this phone as a best entry-level 5G phone. There is nothing more that you can get from this. If you have any doubts or want to ask anything, please use the comment section. Thanks for liking this video and subscribing to my channel, as only your support can make me go for more phones to test.